Hello everyone, today I want to show you how I curl my hair naturally without using heat or damage to my hair. So first I will wet my hair and I start twisting the first part. The second part I will twist my other side, and after I finish twisting I will tie them together with the rubber band. By doing so, the both sides will keep each other from untwisting, as you can see. That way you don't have to use lots of rubber bands. And I will continue to part my hair into 4 other parts to each side, and I will fast forward this part where I repeat the same thing I did earlier. For someone who has problem with laying down with wet hair, I don't recommend you lay down when your hair is wet. But if, like me, I don't have problem with sleeping with wet or damp hair, I usually sleep with my not so dry hair. If you have that problem, then I recommend you dry your hair before you go to sleep to prevent dandruff. That's it. That's all I do. And you can do it the night before, or you can do it early morning if you want your hair to be wavy in the evening. I put a little hairspray and oil to keep my hair shiny. That's it. Have fun. Bye-bye.